Okay, here we are at the back of my car to talk about a really cool and interesting product. This is a bolt lock. So literally it is a lock that goes on the bolt for your receiver when you're putting trailers on it. I have a real good reason why this particular product could be essential to you. It's really helpful to me. I'm going to share that at the end. But first, let me talk to you about some of the features, install it, show you how it works, and then I'm going to give you that cool use at the end. All right, let's open this up. I'll show you what it looks like, what it comes with, and one of the things that you're gonna notice is there's not a whole lot in here because you don't need a key. You actually use your car key. You program this to your car key. All right, so let me show you a couple of these things up close. This is the receiver pin. It comes in two sizes depending upon your vehicle. And then this is the lock itself, which is, as you can see, coated in rubber for weather protection, as well as having a stainless steel cover here where the key goes. Let me show you how to program it real quick. So all you do is you grab your key from your favorite vehicle, right? I have a GM, so this is a center lock. So the cool thing is this has 6 tumblers in it, which is gonna make it very hard to pick. You simply insert your key, turn it, and it is now programmed to your key. That's it, you are done. You just watch me in 2 seconds program this to my key. It is spring loaded, so like if you release it, you let go, it automatically locks. You pull the key out. Let me show you how it looks on the vehicle. So here are the basics, just like every other trailer pin, you slide it through. And then I actually find this resolves one of the problems you have with GMs where it's very hard to get that pin on there. So we got the pin in, now all we do is slide this on to the end of the bolt here. Boom, it snaps on and it is locked on there tight. And one of the things that I really like I said, access is much easier than when you have the pin to hold it on. I find on these trucks, it's very hard to get that pin on there. So if you want to remove it, you put the key in, half turn, you feel it release. That is it. That is all there is to it. How cool is that? What do you say I show you my special reason I really like this? All right, so here's my use case that I really like. This is my bike rack. This is my truck that I take when I go biking, and I don't want to carry a whole big package of keys with me, right? So this one key from my truck is going to allow me to drive to wherever I'm biking, lock the receiver so nobody can steal the bike rack, and then that bike rack also has bikes attached to it. So what you do is, I now take the cable lock, wrap up the frames of the bikes, attach it to the frame of the bike rack, lock this up, and now when I get on my bike, this is it. This is the only key I have. I don't have to carry 3 different sets of keys for me to go carefully lock up the truck, my bike rack, my bikes, all together safely with just one key. I think that is a big value add and really cool. If this has been helpful, please click the subscribe button, the like button. I know it seems silly, that like button is really important. And or if you have other ideas of how to use this system, comment below. Let me know how you're using this lock system. That would be really helpful for others to see. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.